CNEFP, the National Training Center in Tibar, has become a strong partner for Renew's activities in Timor-Leste. Set on the outskirts of the capital Dili, the center's solar training course not only improves the skills of local technicians, but also brings light to the communities.
We train local technicians, include the Tibar technicians, collaborate with those experienced technicians from Renew.
The 8 training participants from Atauro and Bagia are studying for their certificate in photovoltaic systems and eager to gain new knowledge, both theoretical and in practice.
Treinamento dane ami focaliuba colega sira husi Atauro nabe ke lahia conhecimento liuba eletricidade. Ita koko atu hanorin sira konava electrical e depois maka ita fentama ba ia solar.
Formação ni dane liu ia PV aqui o material ne processo ame hahu keda sidane depois ame hahu mos o a prática monta ahi
sintek solo bot fum bahau liusi idane hau bel tuir no bel hasa atan hame capacidade bel aplica no bela atuta bel hal desenvolvimento hame fati.
The current project takes place in Atauro Island, close to Dili but with challenging access. After the travel from Dili by boat, the team brings the systems to very remote communities, where clinics, schools and community centers are in urgent need of solar power. Local NGO Roman Luan leads the way on the field.
Roman Luan ini povo Ataurunian. Honine objetivo atau ajuda a comunidade ninia halerik solar panel ne ajuda teves comunidade Atauro. Liliu ba iha area rural.
Now it's time for the trainees to put their knowledge into practice. The solar systems are installed and everyone plays their part. The training of locals where Renew solar systems are being installed ensures maintenance and repairs and ultimately the long-term sustainability for the systems.
Orgulho teves. Tamunar hau iha bokoneba hau nunca pivine hau nunca tene hau tuering iha asrama iha Tibar. Nema foi nadau kau aprendi dane.
Community members see the new developments in their village with pride and are looking forward to using the systems for their different activities.
Karikalan baru bela mosu moras botrum ya kalambot ina fetsir mai patus karek am sint kata liu si ahina bela po ajuda ba ya atividade ne be ya mosa kala.
Hira comunidade sermos hari katakne instalação ne halfong ona am senti contente tebes.
Na Roma dia diferente ho uluk asor problema ne dia ba aminia atividade ha lorong kala
Ajuda minha mestre sira, ajuda minha aluno sira bele acesso a invern dia marsinya estudo bele labia marsinya futuro bele dia.
Renew's projects in Timor-Leste have provided solar lighting and power to more than 2,000 homes and over 100 community centers, orphanages, schools and hospitals in remote rural villages of the country. 180 village-based solar technicians have been trained. In 2020, we will continue so that the lights stay on in Timor-Leste's communities with your help.